Hello there and welcome. My name is Vakile. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you the 8-string guitar. 8-string guitar. So here's an 8-string guitar here. It's a schecter. Okay, schecter. And let me just explain the tuning here. The tuning. The first 6 strings are just the normal tuning. So you got an E here on the first string. Second string you got a B. Third string you got a G. Fourth string you have your D. Fifth string is A. Sixth string is E. Seventh string is B. And eighth string is F sharp. F sharp. So this just follows the cycle of fifths and cycle of fourths. Okay. Just as you might want to remember in one of the lessons, going down from there to there, you find you're following the cycle of fourths. You're dropping by fourths. From there to there, it's a fourth. There to there, fourth. There to there, fourth. There to there, fourth. There to there, fourth. And when you get to the second string, it's from there to there because it's tuned a semitone down. So you got to go up a little bit. Okay, from say we are on the is 12th, ninth from the ninth string on the second or third string. From ninth you go to the second string, 10th fret, and then down to 10th fret, string number 1. So you're moving in cycles of fourths. Okay, so this is cycle of fourths on the ninth fret. Change because of the idiosyncrasy here. Going up, or let's say going down, actually, in terms of the frequency goes down as the string thickens. So you got you're moving in terms of fifths. So you go. This is applicable on any of these frets. Okay, any. If you go to this one, for example, number 5, change. Okay, so just a few things that are cool about this guitar. Let me just correct this one. A few things that are cool about this guitar are that you can play a little bit of the bass here, because from up here this is the normal 6th string. You can hear that. That's 7th, 8th. If I remove that let me remove that. I'm gonna remove the effect, and you can hear that. So I raise the volume a little bit here. You can hear. So that's the best you can. If the bass is playing something, you can actually complement the bass, or you can accompany the bass, or you can complement if you want. You see, and that's a good thing about the cool thing about it. And then you can go to your treble notes that you want to play there. Of course, you would have to go back to your effect. For example, if I go back to the effect, just want to show you go back to the effect. bass now. Now that's the 8-string bass there. The 8-string guitar. So let's try to put a drum there. So you can hear that you can move from a very treble sound to a bass down here on the F string, F sharp string. So it's quite a good idea to try the 6-string bass. It's pretty good, and I have some tunes that I will belt out for you using this 6-string, but and we're gonna learn a lot about the fretboard of the 8-string guitar. This one here. So and this one doesn't have a it doesn't have a tremolo bar there. It's got 2 picks there, and it's got the volume and the tone here, and you can change your pickup so you can hear the 3. Let's say the first one there. That's the first one. The middle one. And the upper one is that's a toggle switch there. So that's that one. That's the top one. It seems to be nice there. Let's hear the bass, the middle one for the bass. The lowest one. We want to put bass there. So you see, that's the those are the pickups, and they're very beautiful. I just want to thank you very much. We meet in the next program with the 8-string guitar, and we will be enjoying things, mates. Cheers, mates.